All right, welcome back. We are going to get started with object number 2, creating an arc using start, end, and radius. So remember, I have my AutoCAD in minimized version. Full version would look like this, and I would go to my arc tool and drop down my menu and go to start, end, and radius. I believe that's what I just said. Memory is horrible. Yes, so then, now remember, if you want to get it smaller version, click in this area, drag, so on and so forth. All right. So it tells me to use the arc command, select start. So again, I'm going to click draw if I'm in small view, arc. I'm going to choose start, end, and radius. Start, end. You should notice the difference, right? These first three say start center. These second three say start end. And then this last three starts with center and then start. So now I'm going to be here, start, end, and radius. Click it. All right, so now my dynamic input, meaning the text by my cursor, or my status bar tell me to specify the start point of the arc. Well, it says use 025 as my start point. So remember, hashtags. I want to make sure I get those exact points. And then it says specify the endpoint. This is different from before. We had to do center and start. Now we're doing start and end. So it says here 1030 as my endpoint. So again, hashtag this bad boy out, 10 tag 30, enter. And now I got something that's moving. So now it says, and a radius of 6. Oh, great. That's what it's asking me. Specify a radius of 6. Great. Let me click here. Now, all of that we just did. Everything you see here, 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 right? We just did all those steps. So now we have an arc that looks very similar to this arc that I have over here. So now the question that I must answer and that you must answer is, what is the length of object 2? What is the length? Remember, I'm going to find it somewhere in my properties menu. Just to give you a hint, I know that I'm dealing with a number that has, let me zoom in so we can see this. I know that it's going to have 2 numbers before the decimal point and 4 numbers after the decimal point. So I'm looking for, or excuse me, it should, like the length. There's only one length measurement. It might say arc length, but that's what you're looking for. Answer and then move on. All right, have fun.